Hi Junior 2, today is our new chapter, which is chapter 3, which is about numbers up to 999. Okay, let's start this chapter. If here I have the number 0, and that's mean I have nothing. And if I have here number 1, and if I want to represent number 1 by a square, so here I represent it, or a symbol for number 1 will be a square. So if I have number 2, it will be 2 squares, and so on. Number 3, if I have number 3, it will be 1, 2, 3 squares. So here I represented the number in ones by square, and so on. Number 4, I will represent it by square also. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. Number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares. Number 6, 6 squares. Number 7, 7 squares. 8, 8 squares. 9, 9 squares. So now I have 9 squares. If I want to put these squares in a place, I will put it in which place? As we taken in Junior 1? Yeah, I will put it in the ones place. Here I have 1, 2 squares for sure, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Excellent. Now I have 9 squares. I put it in which place? I put it in the ones. Yeah. But here if I have another squares, so now I have 10 squares. Excellent. Now I have 10 squares. Look at here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 squares. I can put it 10 squares in the ones place? No, because the ones place I can put in it only one digit. But here I will look for number 10. Number 10 has 2 digits. Yeah, excellent. So I can put it in the ones place. I can collect the 10 squares together, or I will tie them together and put it in one column, which is called rod. Yes, excellent. So here I have 10 square equal 1 rod. 10 square equal 1 rod. So here 10 squares equal 1 rod. 110. I will put it in a new place, as I said, which is the tens place. Yes, so I will put here the 1 column or the 1 rod in the tens place. So here 10 squares equal 1 10. Yes, so 110 equal 10. 110 equal 10. Excellent. If here I have, as I said, 10 squares, I said 10 squares equal 110. So here I have 110. 110 equal 10. Another 10, 20, 30. And here another 10, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. And here if I have 1 square, so here I have 90 and 1, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. And if I put another square, it will be 10 squares. As I said, 10 squares, 10 equal 110. So here I have 1 rod also, so it will be 100. Excellent, yes. So I can collect the 10 roots together and put it in one block. Here I have 100, yes, 100. So 100 small square equals one block. Yeah, 110 squares. Let's count together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I collected and I put it in one block. Yes, so 10 tenths equal 100. Excellent. So the number is just after 99 is 100. So I can say it in a word in a letters 100. Yes, now I have a new place added to the place value house, which is 100. Yes. Here I will complete the following. Here I said for 100 small squares I can call it one block. So here I have how many blocks? 1, 2. Yes. So here the one block equal 100. So here I have 200, and the new word, which is 100, I will cancel and put 2 zeros. So here 200s here equals 200 here. And now I have how many blocks? Let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, so here I have 400s. And as I know hundreds equal 2 zeros, so it will be 4 2 zeros. Yes. Another example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 blocks. 6 blocks here. Yeah, 6 blocks. So now I have 600s. 600s, yes, and hundreds equal 2 zeros, so the number will be 620, 600. Here I will complete it, these statements. Here the first one, 500. How can I read? Is read as what? Here I have the number 500 in digits, and I want to write it in a word. Yes, so how can I 5? Here 5 in letters. Yes, I have here F-I-V-E, and but the number 500, so I will write it as 500. Another example, here I have 400 is read as, I want to write it in a word form or in a letters, so I can write 400. Here 300 is read as what? Yes, I want to write it in a word, 300. Here in these examples, what is this number? Is read as 800. I have the 800s here in a word, and I want to write it as a number. Yeah, as a digit. So I want to put the digits. 8, I will write 8, and 100, I will put how many zeros? 8 zeros. So the number will be 800. And now, what is the number here? Is read as 900. Here I have 900s in word, and I want to write in a digit. So here 900, 9, and I will put 2 zeros. It will be 900. The last example here is, what is the number? Is read as 300. 300, I will write 3 and put 2 zeros. 400, so the number will be 3. Move to another example. Here I will complete according to the same pattern. So as you remember when you were in Junior 1, when you counted forward, you can count from small up to 9, 0. You count it from the small to the greater, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on till number 9. This is the counting forward. Yeah. But if I want to count it backward, how can I count backward? I start from 9, and before 9, 8, 7, 6, and so on till we reach to number 0. If I want to here, I will complete the same pattern. This 400, I will start for 200, and after 200, 300, so the number after 300 for sure 400, and I have 500, after 500, 600, after 600, 700, and 800. Sorry, Junior 2. The second one, here I start from 500, and here I will see I have two missing numbers, and I have 800. So here for sure I will counting forward. Yes, so after 500, 600, 700, yes, 800, after 800, 900. Excellent. Here I have what? I don't have, in the third example, I don't have numbers, so I have missing numbers, but I have 500, 600, I don't know what is here, and I don't know what is here, the two missing numbers. So here I have 500, and I will start from here. Yeah, before 500 and before 500 I will find 400, but before 500 I have 300, 400, yes, 500, 600, 700, and 800. The other example, I start from 800, and I will see here I have 500 and 400. So here I will count it backward. So the number before 800 is 700, 600, 500, 400, 300, and before 300, 200. Yes. The last example here, I have here 600, and I don't have number, and so on, a number and another number, but I have 200, and before 200 I have 100. So here I will counting backward. Yes, so here before 600 I find 500, and before 500, 400, before 400, yes, 300, before 300, 200, and before 200 also 100. Let's move to another example. Complete as in the example. Here now I have 10 tenths equal 100. Do you remember when I collect the 10 roots together and I put it in a one block? Yes, I collected the 10 tenths together and it will be 100. Yes, so equal 100. But now I have another example. Here I have 90 tenths equal 900 equal what? I don't know here what I will write. But here, as I know from Junior 1, I have here 90 tenths. So the tenths equal 10. Yes, tenths equal 10. So here I have 10 and I have 90. So I have 900. Yes, excellent. Here I don't know the number. I will write it in this exam. How many tenths or what? How many tenths equal 300? Equal 300. Yes. Here I have the 100 takes 2 zeros. Okay, and the tenths here has 1 0. So I will kick or cancel 0 with 0. What is the remaining number now I have? What is still here? Yes, here I repeat it. I have the tenths here have 1 0 and the 100 2 zeros. So I will cancel 0 from the 100 with the 0 from the tenths. So what is the remaining number here? Now I have 30. Yes, excellent. Here I have 50 tenths equal how many hundreds? Equal 500. As I know, tenths has 1 0 and hundreds 2 zeros. So I will kick or cancel 1 0 here with 1 0 here and another 0 from the 100 with the 0 here. What is the remaining number? Yes, 5. So 50 tenths equal 500. equal 500 that I write it in digits. Here I have how many tens? I don't know here what I have to write. How many tens equal 200 equal 2 zeros? Tens, as I know, take 1 0, and hundreds take 2 zeros. Yes, so here I have 200. I will cancel 0 from the 100, and 0 is tens. And what is the remaining number? I want to write. Now I have 20, so 20 tens equal 200. Here I don't know here how many tens equal, how many hundreds equal 700. As I know, 100 takes 2 zeros. Yes, so I will cancel here 0 with 0, and another 0 I will kick with 0. So here I have still what? I have 7. Excellent. Now I have 700, and for sure tens takes how many zeros? 1 0. So I will cancel 0 from the tens with 0 from the 100. What is the remaining here number? 70. Yes, excellent. So 70 tens equal 7. Here I want to write the sign. I will put the sign smaller than or greater than or equal. When I make comparing between the digits or digits written in letters or in a word form, first of all I have to convert all the words to a digit. The first one here I have here, which is bigger? The alligators will eat what? 5 tens or 400? What can I do? First here I have 5 tens. I will cancel tens and put up 0. So here the number I have 50, and the other side I have 400. So for sure, which is bigger? The alligator will eat what? The alligator will eat 400. Excellent. Question number 2, I have here 20 tens. Yes, when I see tens, cancel tens and put up 0. So the number now is 200. Yes, and on the other hand, or on the other side, I have 200. 200. I have known, yes, the 100 takes how many zeros? 2 zeros. So the number will be 200. So here I have 200 and 200. So I will put equal. Yes, excellent. Third question, 500. Yes, and 50 tens. 500, cancel 100 and put up 2 zeros. Yes, so the number will be 500. The other side I have here 50 tens. When I see tens, cancel tens and put up 1 0. Yes, so the number is 500. So here I have 500 and here I have 500. So which sign can I put it? Yes, equal. Question number 4, I have here 700. Cancel 100 and put up 2 zeros, so it will be 700. And on the other side I have here 90 tens. As I know, here cancel tens and put up 1 0, so the number is 900. So here I have 700 and 900. Which sign can I put it? The alligators eats what? So for sure 900 is greater than 700, or 700 is smaller than 900. The last one here is, here I have 300 and here I have 6 tens. Yes, 6 tens. Now here I will convert or cancel tens and put up 0. So the number will be 60. So for sure 300 is bigger than or greater than 60. So here the alligator will eat 300. Okay.